Ever feel like recording and editing social media content is just eating up your entire weekend? Or maybe you sit down to make one simple video and get totally lost about where to even start? I used to be in that exact same place, feeling completely stuck in a cycle of constant creation. But once I landed on a simple, repeatable system, creating content didn't just get faster, it finally stopped being stressful. And the best part is that this method works effectively for any platform you choose. So today I want to show you how I record and edit content quickly, save massive amounts of time, and still put out videos that actually perform. By the end of this video, you will have a clear step-by-step process that you can copy every single week. Let's jump right into the first step, which is obviously the recording phase. Most of the time people think editing is the biggest time sink, but the way you record can actually make your editing process 10 times faster. Seriously, if you just nail your initial recording setup, the rest of the workflow becomes way smoother. Here is what I recommend to get that clean, usable footage as fast as humanly possible. You honestly only need a standard smartphone and a decent tripod to get started. Prop your phone on a tripod so you are not wobbling around, because shaky footage equals extra work for you later. Sit facing a window for soft, natural light on your face, as that simple trick instantly levels up your production value. Find a quiet, tidy spot so there aren't any distracting noises or clutter in your frame. If you want better audio, go ahead and plug in an external phone mic. But if you don't have one, your phone mic is perfectly fine, and I'll show you how to clean that audio up with AI during the editing stage. Now, here is the secret thing that completely changed my life: batch recording. I record a whole week's worth of short clips in one single focused sitting. Hit record, do one video, stop, start the next one, and keep that momentum rolling. If you flub a line, do not stop the whole take, just repeat the sentence and keep rolling. It is much faster that way, and your editor or your software can easily cut out the mistake in post-production. This approach saves so much setup time and prevents all that mental friction you get from starting over. You can use a bunch of apps to record directly to the cloud so your phone storage doesn't fill up. Some apps even let you read a script on screen while recording, which is absolutely clutch for staying on track. That said, recording is only half the battle, so now let's make those raw clips really pop. If you are in a rush, you can make basic edits straight on your phone, like trimming, cutting, or adding animated captions. But if you want more control and a faster path to content that gets views, I have been using an AI-first workflow. Instead of spending hours wondering which parts are worth posting, let the tool find the golden moments for you. Here is the exact workflow I run through on my laptop after I finish batch recording. First, upload or connect your recordings so everything is centralized and easy to manage. Second, use the transcript, because the auto transcript is honestly your secret weapon. You can just highlight and delete the chunks you don't want, and it cuts the video for you. This saves you from scrubbing around trying to find the exact frame for every single cut. Third, remove silences and filler words to make the pacing tighter and more professional. For fast platforms like TikTok and Reels, I cut out silences because it makes the video feel much snappier. Fourth, enhance the audio by boosting it with an AI audio cleanup feature. Background noise reduction and clarity boosts turn your raw phone audio into something much closer to studio level. Fifth, dynamic captions are non-negotiable because they really do stop the scroll. Use a preset that fits your vibe, tweak the font, color, and animation, and save it as a template. If the transcript mishears a word, just correct it in the text and the captions fix themselves instantly. Sixth, add a hook text for the first 3 to 5 seconds to grab people immediately. Something punchy that sets up exactly why they should keep watching will drastically improve your retention. Seventh, fine-tune your visuals by cropping and changing aspect ratios for different platforms. Use 1080p for social posts, as that is generally the sweet spot for mobile viewing quality. Eighth, add royalty-free music or keep it dry and add platform-native music later during the upload. One feature that I absolutely cannot overstate the value of is the auto-generated short clips from long videos. If you uploaded a long-form webinar or video, some AI tools will scan it and find the most engaging moments automatically. It is a massive game changer for creators who don't want to manually hunt for highlights all day. You get bite-sized TikToks and Reels without having to record any extra footage. Now, let's talk about distribution, because editing fast is really only half the win. Publishing consistently is where most creators sadly fall apart, so automation is your best friend. That is why I love tools that do 2 extra things. auto schedule, and a content calendar. Auto schedule means you tell the AI how often you want to post, and it handles the rest for you. The content calendar gives you one place to see, edit, and manage every single clip across all your socials. Instead of juggling 5 different apps and a messy spreadsheet, I can preview a whole month of posts. That is where a wizard-style approach shines. It stitches the best parts together and removes tons of busy work. I don't want this to sound like a hard sell, just a recommendation based on what actually saved me time. If you want to batch produce content, here is the exact rhythm I use every single week. Day 1, batch record 7 to 10 short clips, keeping each one focused on a single idea. Day 2, upload and let the AI transcribe and scan for those key moments. Day 3, review the suggested clips, tweak captions, and add your text hooks. Day 4, use the content calendar to schedule everything and let the auto-scheduler spread it across the week. That flow gives me consistent output without burning out, and I get my creative time back. Don't be obsessed with perfection, because short, honest clips always do better than polished but robotic ones. Keep hooks short and emotional, and recycle your long form into short form content constantly. If you want to try this, check the link in the description to test these tools for yourself. Try it on one long video and watch how many shorts you get back. Then see the difference in your consistency. If you liked this breakdown, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more workflow stuff like this. I'm always testing ways to make creation less of a grind, so thanks for hanging out and catch you next week.